All right, here we are again for another portfolio update. Sorry for so many videos, but I am limited to 15 minutes per video anyway, so I'd have to make a lot. But this one, we're going to go over digital mapping again for World War One. So open up your portfolio on Google Sites, and what we're going to do in this video is we're going to make a map of Europe, and we're going to show the alliances using the maps. So you want to go to your history section, right? You want to have that up. We just made a map of, what World War One looked like during this time, or excuse me, what Europe looked like during World War One. Whoops, total slip of the tongue there. So the boundaries were different. So now we're going to show the alliances, right? So I wanted to show some sites. I wanted to use Encyclopedia Britannica just to see who was on whose side. Um, so we could, have a good source. Let's see what let's view media page. Let's see. So let me view that bigger. Okay, let's see what Encyclopedia Britannica's maps has. Okay, good. This is what I want. So this map, if you look down at this map key, it says the central powers are in this, orangish color, and that the allies are in the sort of, well, it was a grayish purple sort of color. So we're going to replicate this map using mapcharts.net, and I'm going to link mapcharts.net into the assignment again. But go to Europe, pull up World War One. You'll have another World War One map. But instead of showing political boundaries, what we're going to show is alliances. So you need far less colors. In fact, you can choose colors that are like the map we're replicating. But let's go ahead and start our map key. So it's World War One alliances. All right. So I want the background to always look like water. That works. I kind of choose a different color blue every time. So we're going to go with alliances. All right. So let's go back to Encyclopedia Britannica. So I just Googled I Googled Central Powers or Allied Forces. I have one for Encyclopedia Britannica, and it pulled this article up. So I don't want you all to get in the habit of going to Wikipedia. So some sort of encyclopedia. But I'll link the encyclopedias to the assignment as well. But so we want to go ahead. Let's start with the Allied powers. So we're going to go ahead and start knocking these out. And I see that we did not label Italy in our map, so I might have to go back and fix that, because apparently they're on the Allied forces, which I guess I should have known that when I was making the map. But we all make mistakes. This is what this is about, though. It is the revision process. So mapcharts.net. All right. So I want to pick a color for the Allied forces. Probably going to pick a blue. Let's go with, yeah, that'll work. Okay, so we got France, we have Great Britain, we have Russia. Oh, whoops, I hit Spain. So I got to get rid of that one. Does that take it off? Let's see, remove color. Okay, so if you label one you're not supposed to, you got to right click and hit remove color. Okay. So who else? Let's go back to our source. Got Italy, Russia, so Romania. There might have been several countries we missed on our map. So Russia, let's see, who's that? Romania, Italy. Let's see who else we got. Greece, Serbia, right? So Greece, Serbia. Who else? Of course, Northern Africa was colonies during this time. Okay, Portugal. All right. So Spain was having a civil war, or the Spanish Revolution was going on, and let's see, Northern Africa was colonies, uh, and Denmark, Norway, and Sweden were not involved. So, all right, let's pick another color for the Central Powers. I'm gonna go with. Don't forget to label. So, all right. So the blue represented Allied powers. So I'm going to go with yellow now. Let's go back to our source. The Central Powers, of course, we have Germany, Austro-Hungarian Empire. Looks like Bulgaria and Ottoman Empire. So let's find that map. So we got this one. We have that. We have Bulgaria. We have Ottoman Empire. Let's see. So that's everything. Switzerland, Albania was neutral. Yep. So that pretty much covers it. Okay. So that is the Central Powers. All right. So we're done. I want to go to preview map. I want to copy the image. I want to go to my portfolio. I want to paste that image. So Control V. Takes a second for it to pop up. But then it pops up. And I am going to use this map instead of the one that I have. I like this one better because, every time you do something, you get a little bit better at it. But what this one has on it that the other one doesn't have is that it shows where Romania was at, and obviously Greece and Serbia and Italy too. So I have more countries labeled for the forces. So I still could go back and perfect this map, and I might do that tomorrow in class because I really need to get Italy down and probably go back and get Romania and Greece into the map legend over here. But that was the video previous to this. But anyway, so I can delete this one. There we go. I'm publishing it so you all can see it, and that concludes our mapping of World War One. So by the time you're done viewing this, you're going to have a digital map that shows most of the political boundaries during World War One, and then the Allied and Central Powers during World War One. All right, that concludes it. Thank you.